So now let's see how we can work around with the shape overlay effect inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto the guided option right here. And then once I go around, I'm going to go under Fun Edits right here. And once I scroll down, you can see Shape Overlay Effect is an option. If I were to go around and click right here, then you can see the before and after right here. But after that, you can select out a shape. So there's different shapes that you can select from, as you can see. So I'm just going to go around and select this shape. And once I do that, I can click and drag around the shape and place it wherever I want right here. I can resize this right here. I can place it wherever I want and press the check mark button right here, just like that. So once I do that, it's placed right there, and you can use the move tool right here to move it out in different place after you've resized it as well. So then after that, you can click on the outline effect right here and select out different effect as for the outline, as you can see, just like that. To apply that out, you can go around and select this, go around and select black and white right here, and so forth, as you can see right there. You can work around with the intensity to decrease the level of intensity of the effect or increase the level of intensity as well. Let me just go around over here and select out, let's say, black and white right here. So once I do that, you can go around onto the inside effect and then select out different options according to how you like for the part within the shape over here as well, just like that, as you can see. And then you can go around onto the crop tool and then place around the crop wherever you like and press the check mark button right there. Once you do that, you can crop out everything to the particular shape over here as well if you want to. And that is how you can use the guided shape overlay effect inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.